What if I told you there's a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors, but also outsmarts every obstacle in your home and gives you a literal break from maintenance for months at a time? Today, we're diving into a cleaning beast that might just change how you think about smart home tech. This is the Dreame X40 Ultra. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below. The Dreame X40 Ultra is one of the most advanced robot vacuums I've come across in a while. This thing combines modern tech upgrades with a focus on hands-off intelligent cleaning. It can handle tricky pet hair to dusty corners without constant supervision. Let's break down why the X40 Ultra is making waves and why you might never need to clean your floors manually again. Let's kick things off with the SideReach extending side brushes. Unlike your standard robot vacs that might miss those tight, awkward corners, the X40 Ultra has side brushes that literally extend and lift. You've got a mechanism here that reaches into wall corners, curves, and even around furniture legs, allowing them to tackle those dusty areas with precision. Think about the times your traditional vacuum or even a robot vacuum just couldn't reach into the corners based on the shape of the unit. I've certainly experienced that with several models myself. The SideReach brushes on the X40 Ultra make sure that's no longer a problem, translating to a more consistent clean across the board. Next, let's talk about mopping. A lot of robot vacuums add a mop as almost an afterthought, but Mop Extend Robo Swing technology on the X40 Ultra is the real deal. This mop can extend up to 4 centimeters and it swings out to reach under low furniture and along baseboards. You know that little crevice between your counters on the floor that always just ends up messy? The X40 Ultra doesn't just notice it, it swings in and cleans it. This feature means you're getting a legit deep clean. All those spots you didn't even think about or notice are gone. Of course, a vacuum is only as good as its suction power. And here, the 12,000 Pascal Vormax suction truly shines. To be clear, 12,000 pascals is a number that puts the X40 right at the top of the power spectrum when it comes to robot vacuums. And the beauty of it is how the power pairs with the optional anti-tangle tri-cut brush. You're dealing with a vacuum that won't clog up with hair, which, let's be honest, is one of the biggest issues with robot vacuums, especially if you have pets. The tri-cut brush is like a comb with a built-in shredder. It breaks down the hair and keeps it from wrapping around the brush. So this way you're not spending half your time cleaning the vacuum brush. The power and design mean you're lifting heavy dirt, pet hair, dust, everything really, and it's optimized airflow with no obstructions. That's the kind of suction power you want if you're really serious about a deep clean. Plus, that anti-tangle feature also helps maintain peak performance, making sure that the vacuum doesn't lose power or efficiency due to a clogged brush. Now, whether you've got multiple pets, spilled cereal or liquid, or just a lot of foot traffic, the X40 Ultra is designed to handle it all effortlessly. The suction power is paired with intelligent engineering that ensures even the most stubborn dirt is picked up. But here's the feature that honestly impressed me the most, the 7-in-1 auto base station. We're talking auto emptying, auto refilling, auto washing, and even hot air drying for the mop pads. Aside from just being the place the X40 Ultra goes to charge, it also handles the maintenance. The mop pads are washed with 158-degree hot water after each cleaning session, so you're not dealing with bacteria buildup or the nasty smell some robot mops end up having. Plus, they're dried with hot air afterward, which prevents mold or mildew from forming. The vacuum empties itself into a 3.2-liter dust bag, which means up to 75 days of not worrying about the dust bin, which means you only need to empty it about 5 times per year. And the base station even scrubs the internal washboard too, which is something I haven't seen on any other vacuum model yet. This is about as autonomous as it gets, and it's exactly what people want from a premium cleaning experience. The whole idea is that the X40 Ultra takes the burden of maintenance off of you completely. Then there's the AI-powered RGB camera and 3D structured light. Now, I don't know about you, but I've had my share of robot vacuums getting tangled in cables and other obstacles. The X40 Ultra identifies and avoids over 120 types of objects. That includes slippers, cables, and even socks. All those daily obstacles that usually lead to a stuck vacuum and frustrating restarts, or just me looking around my house, where is the robot vacuum? What did it get stuck on? That's gone here. The This level of object recognition means it knows exactly where to go and, more importantly, where not to go. And it can even handle dim and dark rooms thanks to its built-in LED light, which illuminates hidden dirt and obstacles. It's smarter, more precise, and ensures a more thorough clean without you needing to babysit it. The AI camera learns and adapts, meaning the more it cleans, the better it gets at navigating your unique home environment. X40 Ultra's ability to lift its mops up to 10.5 millimeters when it senses carpets is another underrated feature. It can seamlessly transition from a hard floor to a carpeted area without dragging the wet mop across it. This vacuum also boosts suction when it detects carpets, meaning it's automatically adapting to make sure those carpets also get a deep clean. The combination of mop lifting and carpet boosting means it's tailor-made for mixed floor environments. Whether you've got plush area rugs or low pile carpets, the X40 Ultra will just adjust automatically accordingly. And if you have a variety of floor types, you know how annoying it can be to manually set boundaries or change cleaning modes. Again, with the X40 Ultra, it's all done automatically. The sensors do all the heavy lifting so that your carpets stay dry and your floor stays clean. So here's the bottom line. The Dreame X40 Ultra is more than just a typical robot vacuum. It's smart, powerful, and most importantly, autonomous. From SideReach and Mop Extend Tech to the 12,000 Pascal suction and an intelligent base station that practically takes care of itself, this vacuum cleans your floors and then cleans itself too. It's a premium device, no doubt, but if you're looking for hands-off cleaning that's smarter than just about anything else out there, this is definitely a top contender. If you want to check it out for yourself, don't forget, I have a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.